The tragedy took place at around 7 a.m. yesterday and the deceased was an 80-year-old man. After attacking the person last night, the wild elephant had moved to the Dambula Kurunegala road and was captured on a CCTV camera travelling through Badagama Reserve to the Ranavana area. An operation was later launched to move the wild elephant away from the area. A correspondent said that about 50 officials from wildlife officers including Kurunegala, Heradgama, Nikavaratia, Mahava, Galgamua and Pibidunugama took part in it. However, the wild elephant could not be located and the operation is still underway.